Hi everybody, welcome to the fifth section of the React Native course. In this section we'll learn how to publish our apps into the different app stores. In this section we're going to take a look at the following topics. First of all, we will see a real-world example of an already published app. We will explain how to publish for iOS through Apple's App Store. We will also explain how to publish for Android with Google's Play Store. And finally, we detail how we can demo our apps before publishing, using the demo distribution channels for both platforms. Welcome to the first video of the section 5, which is called Example App, a Case Study. In this section we will discuss a real-world example of a published app. In this video we're going to take a look at 3 topics. First of all, we will briefly describe the product, an app called Meneame. We will see how it looks like under the iOS platform, and finally, we'll see how it looks like under the Android platform. Let's check our example app. We'll check out one of our first apps in React Native, a proof of concept product for a Spanish Reddit site, Meneame.net. It was a product test for both our company and the Meneame site. The limited functionality doesn't affect our initial release, more than 5,000 downloads in the first week, and positioning in the top 50 apps for news in the Spanish App Store. Let's see how the app looks like for iOS. Here's a quick look of the iOS version of the Meneame News app. You can browse the links sent by the users, see the news, read the comments, and the details of it. There's a dedicated tab bar for navigation between the different types of sent links. Let's see how this app looks like in the iOS App Store. We'll start browsing the portal iTunes Connect. This is where all the information about our app lives, and it will be explained in the next section. For now, let's just browse this content. Here's the main view of iTunes Connect for our company account. Highlighted in red, we can find the Meneame app. We have a bunch of other apps, from demo apps to private customer apps to still unpublished apps. Let's click into the app icon. Here's the main view of the app under iTunes Connect. We can access a bunch of information of the app and modify it in its portal. For the current version available in the App Store, we have a tab with its metadata, multimedia, and information. There's some information we can change directly and some other information that needs new app upload to be changed. We will see the rest of the sections in future videos. Let's see how it looks like in the Android Play Store. This is how the Play Store home looks like. Highlighted in red, you can see the Meneame app. We also have unpublished and private apps in this company account. This is the app release dashboard. Here we can see that we have a production release for Android and 2 other channels for testing, alpha and beta. Another important part is the store listing, where we can put all the app description, title, keywords, and screenshots. Also, there's room for promotional information here. This is the initial view of the Meneame app listing. This is another part of the store listing, where we can see app screenshot and graphical assets, a very important and mandatory part of the Play Store presence for our app. This part is important because it is the first impression any user will have from our app, so it is important to rely on a professional designer to do this kind of job. In this video we saw our published example app and how it looks like under the iOS App Store and the Android Play Store.